of the difficult areas when we're gardening is when we're transplanting, when we're sowing seeds, when we've transplanted a plant, or when we've just planted it. We notice that there's a distinct stress that's going out in the plant, and the plant is battling to cope. Sometimes germination is slow. How can we improve this? What are the things that we can do? So we've been working with this stuff over here. It's called Startgro, and it literally does what the name says, start grow. So why should we use it, and when should we use it? Number one, Startgro should be applied whenever we are sowing seeds. Startgro is perfect to use when you've just transplanted something or moved a plant from one pot into the next to avoid that stress and really just get it kick-started. You can also apply it as a foliar spray. So that literally means diluting it into a little spray bottle, and you can apply that directly onto the leaves so it's absorbed into the plant. Really quick and a good way to perk plants up. The product's available in 2 different sizes. You can either get it in this big guy or in 3 sachets like this. The sachets all work on a similar basis, and we've made it really easy for you. So it's 1 sachet diluted into 5 liters of water, and that is 5 milliliters. So it goes a really long way. In terms of bang for your buck, you kind of got all your bases covered here. Remember, the guys have made it really easy for us to measure. 1 capful equals 5 mils, so you don't even need measuring appliances. Startgro contains a blend of organic and inorganic nutrition. It does not have nitrogen or phosphorus in it, and that's an important aspect of how this product works. It's got potassium in it. It includes kelp, fulvic acids, plant growth regulators, and amino acids, all really important for plant growth. It also contains calcium, silica, magnesium, and a little bit of zinc. All of these elements are really important to encourage good root growth and to get the plants kick-started. You know, it's like a bit of a boomer. Once they get that, we get good root growth, we get good top growth, and of course, throughout all of this, we're reducing stress. And remember, as with all Ecobuz products, they are friendly to the environment. So it's bee-friendly, it's fur-kid-friendly, cat-friendly, dog-friendly, and also for the butterflies, wasps, and importantly, the ladybirds.